Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. So as you guys can see this beautiful orange bag right here, this is the repair that I did on one of my bags. So I just wanted to do a video giving you guys the update of what the repair looked like when I picked it up. Okay guys, anyway, if you guys like anything that's bag related, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We have so much fun over here. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. I love you guys. And let's get into this unbagging slash looking at this repair. Okay, guys. So as I stated, beautiful Louis Vuitton. So this, if you guys remember, I did a unboxing probably like a month or almost 2 months ago. I think so. No. I think I did an unboxing. What I think back in November or October. I'm just trying to get the date right. Where I purchased a Speedy for literally under $500. But there was issue with it, and I did tell you guys that I was going to get it repaired at the Louis Vuitton store. So actually, it wasn't even supposed to come back until May. But according to my repair essay, she said that actually Louis Vuitton is doing a new thing now where they're trying to get the repairs in quicker than what the estimated time is of like that 6-month time frame. So I did take 2 bags in for repair. This is one of the bags that actually came back. The other one is still getting repaired, so it probably might be coming back, like she said, in maybe a week or two. I don't know yet, but I'll give you guys an update on that one as well. But without any further ado, let's get into seeing what this repair looked like. I love, guys. So I got my receipt, and then I have the little she gave me some fragrance sample. I love my essay, my repair essay. Amy, I love her. Anyway, so she gave me the bag right here. So guys, this, if you guys remember, it's my Speedy 30, guys. You remember I told you guys that with the I'll probably do like a before photo so you guys can see what it looked like before I took it in for repair. So this actually is the repair version of it, guys. Don't this look so beautiful? Like this literally look like brand new. It does have like the new pull right here, as you can see right there, and then over here as well. So this is it says Louis Vuitton, made in France. It has all, so basically I changed the whole vachetta. The only thing that I didn't change was the canvas, obviously. But as you guys can see with my canvas, Amy did condition it. I just got to probably wipe it down a little bit on the end because it kind of have like some spots on there. But she did condition it for me. And look, guys, look at how good this look. It looked literally brand new. Like it came back and Amy called me. Amy was like, Aisha, this thing look amazing. And I'm like, what? Okay. She was like, it looked brand new. So I was like super excited. The only thing I didn't change, and I did kind of tell you guys that I probably was going to change it, what word this actually is the zipper, not word the zipper, sorry. So I did not change the zipper at all because the cost of it was ridiculous. And I'm like, I'm not going to change it. Probably what I would do is use like a shiner or something to get the zipper to shine back, because it's just a little bit rust, but it's in great condition. But every single thing else I did change. I changed the pull, change over here. So all of the leather, all of the vachetta, everything is literally brand spanking new, as I see right here, and as you guys can see over here. So it is literally brand new. It seemed like I literally just bought the Speedy 30, honestly speaking. As you can see. So one thing I did notice is it kind of have like a little wrinkle here, but obviously it's okay. And then you got the leather pull. So when you open it up, I didn't change the inside because I didn't think it needed to get changed, honestly speaking. I love this goldness in it. One thing, Amy did actually clean the inside for me right here. She had it clean and conditioned, but it looks so good. And guess what else I got? I got the lock and key, brand new, guys. So let me open it real quick so you guys can see it, because this did not come with the lock and key. So as you guys can see, I got a new lock and key from Louis Vuitton. Look at this, guys. So I am so super excited. So as you can see, it's literally brand new. So I did get that from the Louis Vuitton store. So I'm going to put that back in there. So it's right there. But guys, this is the end result of it. So like I told you guys, I paid, I think maybe like 4.99 or even less than that, honestly speaking. I think that was like including tax and things like that for this bag, okay, when I initially got it. And as you guys remember, if you watched that video, I said I got, it was a video that said Speedy for 4.99 or something like that. So I did purchase this, and then I paid for the repair. So at the time when I paid for the repair, like Amy said, it's actually increased from what I paid initially to what it is now. She was telling me that Louis Vuitton just had a price increase for repairs, guys. Crazy, okay? So if I wanted to get this repair now, it's literally what she was telling me. I forgot, because I had asked even about another bag that I was thinking about probably getting the Vachetta change. But after she told me the price, and I think it was for the ellipse, because you guys know that I did open the ellipse for it. I got it for like literally $500, but it's the size. And I was thinking about changing the Vachetta, just like how I changed the Vachetta on the Speedy 30. And she looked at the price; it was over $1,000, guys. I was like, I'm not paying that. But even if I do pay the 1,000 or whatever, because she was saying just the complication of they might have to take it all apart in order for them to change the leather. But I don't know if I want to do that yet, because I'm not that pressed to actually change that leather. But she was telling me that the price did increase. So what I did end up paying for this was actually was it like 600 or 700. I think it was like 700 and something for them to change everything. So literally all of the letter pull a change. There is literally, it looked like, guys, this looked like I just purchased this Speedy 30 from the Louis Vuitton store. Guys, look at this. Look at the inside. I did show you guys the inside, that there was nothing wrong with the inside. Like, it was just the leather side that was like coming apart. And one thing I did show you guys, I'm not sure if you guys remembered, where one of this right here was actually coming apart. So like this inside part right here was actually, it was like almost coming apart. So I'm happy they actually did it. As you guys can see right here, you see the letter on the inside, as you see. So it says, oh wow, it has like a little stamp right here that says SA. I don't know if that's probably who did it. And then it has like a number right here. But this inside was coming apart. So that was one of the biggest reasons why I wanted to actually change the leather, especially with the handle, because it was coming apart. And I didn't really, even though I paid such a good price for it, but I didn't want to really use it. And another thing also, one thing with me, when I do buy pre-love, a lot of times if the leather is not that good, especially the Vachetta leather, I like to change it so that I can make it my own in so many sense. So I feel like with this new letter change, it feels so brand new now to me. Like, it feel like I went in and bought it. But even with that, so even with the repair and the cost of the bag, I still paid way less than what retail is. Okay, guys. So I feel like it's really, really, really worth it. And because I got it at such a great deal, I couldn't pass off that opportunity. Come on, guys. And this repair, guys, look, this bag look amazing. Guys, what do you guys think? Leave it in the comment below. Would you guys have spent basically what I did, go this route? Because this was really my very first route to say, oh, hey, buy a not so good condition Speedy. And this is the Speedy 30, by the way, guys. Buy not such a good condition Speedy, and then get the letter change. And at the price initially, Amy quoted me, she literally stick to it, because when I had went back in to actually get it, drop it off for repair, the price had increased at that time, but she was like, she will honor the price that she initially gave me. The quote that she initially gave me when I first went in to try to inquire about how much it would take for it to repair. So I literally got this repair at a lower cost than what it is now. But I feel like it was really worth it, guys, because I literally got literally like a brand new bag. Look at this, guys. A brand new Speedy 30, literally. So all I got to do, I'm going to shine the zipper so it brings back that shine to it. But beside that, everything else look good. I got my brand new lock and key. And this is the end result. So let me bring it close up so as you guys can see the Vachetta letter right here. Literally brand new. You see the handles. Okay. You guys can see brand new. The letter pull right here with the zip. Even the zipper is brand new, guys. Look at it. Brand new zipper. And then as you can see, the flap right here is brand new. And the vachetta, the whole thing is brand new. So yeah, guys, so this was the video. I just wanted to do a quick update because I did tell you guys that I was going to film a video when this bag came back so you guys can see what it looked like when it's actually repaired. And honestly, I feel like I saved good money. I saved a couple of hundreds for this bag, because I'm not even sure. I'll put the price of how much the Speedy 30 is right now if you try to go buy it retail. I'm not sure exactly. I think it's maybe 1800 or 16 or something. I'm not exactly sure, but I saved like good amount of money for me to go this route. So I felt like it was worth it, and I'm so super 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 excited to actually use my brand new Speedy. This literally is a brand new Speedy, guys. Anyway, guys, that's the video for today. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the family. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.